Hello, we are working on question 3 for your quiz review. We need to find the radius, height, lateral area, and surface area for the following figure. Round answers to the nearest tenth if needed, so 1 decimal. When appropriate, leave answers in terms of pi. Again, we already have pi next to our answers, so we do not need to type pi into our calculator. We do not need to type pi into those blanks there. Alright, so the first thing they want us to do is find our radius and our height. Remember, the radius is halfway across the base, your circle. So it's going to be this part here. So I know 8 equals r. So for my first blank, I'm just going to go ahead and type in 8. The next thing they want is the height of our cylinder. So they want to know how far away are those two circles from each other. Well, the only other number we have here is 7. So 7 is going to be our height. So we'll type in 7 for the second blank. All right, the next thing we need to do is find our lateral area. Now, your cylinder is basically just a prism. Remember, your lateral area equals the perimeter of your base times your height. Now, that formula is like a little general. Right now, I don't know how to find perimeter. But remember, our base